Hello, good morning, my dear viewers and my subscribers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Latin America Calling You. This is Omar Nath, and I am speaking from Iquique City, Chile. Dear viewers, in this video, I am going to explain the big potentials and the possibilities of making films in Latin continent. You know, Latin continent is a very big continent, and there is the abundance of beauties and the natural atmosphere which is still unexplored by many filmmakers and as well as photographers. So in this video I am going to explain the ins and outs of the sector. Dear visitors, you know, Latin continent is a very big continent and there are so many countries. The biggest country is Brazil, and then you can go to Bolivia, Peru, Venezuela, Uruguay, Paraguay, and Chile. And if you go to Central America, there are also a lot of countries like El Salvador, Nicaragua, Panama, Costa Rica, Belize, and Mexico. Anyway, if we come to Latin American continent, there are a lot of places, mostly the natural places and natural reserves where you can do your filming and photographic activities. You may ask me why it is unexplored. Actually, the thing is that the language of Latin America is mainly Spanish, and very few people talk in English. So, people from Asia and Europe and American countries have not explored this country so much as they are doing in other countries. So, there is a big potentiality to start the activities regarding filmmaking, film production, and photography. Dear visitors, let me explain the natural atmosphere of Latin continent. So let me concentrate my discussion in Bolivia, Peru, Argentina, Brazil, and Chile, because it's a vast continent. It is difficult for me to explain all the sectors of this big continent. So if you come to Bolivia, you will find that the sky is very beautiful. In Cochabamba, it is the nicest atmosphere in Latin continent. But if you change your location, suppose if you go to La Paz, it is very cold, but the atmosphere is so beautiful. It is very suitable for photographic activities. If you go to Santa Cruz and Beni, the climate is different from that of Cochabamba. But if you go to the other places, so you can change the location, and if you want to film the Andes mountain, so I think Latin continent is the most beautiful location. The big Andes mountain is traced from Bolivia to Peru to Argentina to Chile. So you can do your filming by drone, or you can do your the photography activities also. There are a lot of things. If you come to Chile, there is a big sea beach. So actually, the entire country Chile is located on the Pacific shore. So from north to south, you will find the Chilean grandeur in matters of the Pacific Ocean. But the interesting thing is that if you go to the north, you will find the Atacama Desert, the world's driest place. So you can do your desert activities. In the same country, you can do the activities of filming in South Chile. There is every time there is raining, you will get the film, the scenery and landscape of the flood. So the place is mostly flooded. If you go to the extreme south, you will find the big glaciers. There are penguins are there, so it is very amazing place. So I think Chile may be the most beautiful location, because in the same country you can get multiple types of atmosphere: very cold, very dry, and also very flooded, and also some places are very green. So you can get all the atmospheres in Chile. Okay, then visitors, there are also some amazing things in Chile which you can consider before you come to Chile for your filming activity. There are the giant sea lions. I think these sea lions are not available in Asia, in other countries. There are big sea lions. Almost in all the coasts in Chile, you will find the sea lions. But there are two types of sea lions. Some are brown and some are somewhat off-white. So they are very amazing. You can find the fishing activity also. If you go to the with the fishing boats, you will can find the whales. So there are very amazing things in Chile. Also, you find the pelicans. There are hundreds and thousands of pelicans in Chilean sky, and there are also the albatross. Then there is a place. Its name is Patagonia. It is the most amazing place in Chile. So there are hundreds of people are coming from many places to do the photography. So you can join them. So if you go to the extreme south, you will find the big places which are very cold, but get films are made over there. So from north to south in Chile, you can do the filming activities. Now we may go to Peru. Peru is a very big country regarding filming activities, because there are a lot of archaeological sites. You can go to Machu Picchu and you can go to Cusco. So this is the possibly the ancient place for civilization. So Machu Picchu is such a place where you can do a lot of films and a lot of photography. And the sea beach of Lima is also very amazing. And on one side you can get the touch of Amazon rainforest. Amazon is the biggest rainforest in the world, and there is a huge resource for photography and filming. So if you use a powerful drone, so you can get the sight from the sky. So it is a very beautiful place and very resourceful place for filming, for great filmmakers. Now let me explain some about Suriname and Guyana. So Suriname is a small country, but language is Dutch. But there is an immense places for doing photography and filming. So there are the gold mines. So there are the old places. I mean the archaeological places which are deserted by the Dutch people. So you can get the Dutch life in Suriname. So if you move to Guyana, I am not talking about French Guyana. There are two Guyana, French Guyana and Guyana. So if you go to Guyana, you can get the natural atmosphere. Very beautiful places here, and you also can go to Guyana from Suriname by a ferry. So you can get another experience by doing filming from ferry. If you want to go to Argentina, you can go to Argentina from Chile by bus. There is highway, and you can go via Cordoba. It's a place in Argentina. You can start your journey from Santiago. So this is a very amazing route to travel from Santiago to Argentina by bus. So during your journey, you can do your photographic and filming. It is very, very amazing, because you will pass through a lot of mountains, and there are the difference of atmosphere. Sometimes you can wear your warm clothes, sometimes you will be chilled with the chilly weather. So now let me explain something about the beautiful places of Argentina. The very beautiful waterfalls are in the borders of Paraguay and Argentina. Actually, this is in Argentina, but if you at the same time you can travel some countries like Paraguay, Bolivia, Argentina and Brazil. So around these places you can find the resource for photography and filming. You can use your drone, but you have to be aware of the government rules, because if you want to rule, there are some restrictions, and you have to be aware of the restrictive places. Visitors, now let us go to Bolivia. There is a salt lake. It is very beautiful salt lake you can find in Bolivia, and in Oruro is a city. From Oruro to the Chilean border, there is the vast land where you can find water, and there is the red storks. That is very amazing. So here you will find kilometers after kilometers the red storks. Thousands of red storks are there, and apart from red storks, you will find other pelicans and very beautiful birds. And actually, this is not a sea place, but you will find the touch of the sea. Now, if you are interested to do your filming activity in Central America or in South America, I recommend you to contact the film commission. So every country has their own film commissions and film societies. Apart from them, there are film clubs clubs and photographic clubs, and some have some photographic federation. So you can contact them and you can book them their services. The film commissions have their special services to support with equipments, with directors, and sometimes if you are able to do yourself, you can do so. But it is better to contact the film commissions of every country before you want to book your travel. Dear visitors, if you love my video, you can subscribe and keep in touch. Thank you so much.